What if I told you that space is way weirder than you ever imagined? That black holes can erase time, planets can float, and there's a giant cloud in space that smells like rum? Yep, space is not just vast, it's insanely bizarre. In this video, we're diving into the strangest, most mind-blowing facts about space. The kind of stuff that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about the universe. Buckle up. First off, space isn't empty. Between the stars lies a strange ocean teeming with invisible particles, rogue planets, clouds of dust, and dark matter. Dark matter makes up 85% of all matter in the universe, but we've never seen it, touched it, or created it in a lab. We can only detect dark matter because of its gravitational pull on things we can see, like galaxies. It's how we know it's there, lurking in the shadows, holding the universe together. Imagine rogue planets, wandering the cosmos alone, no sun to warm them, eternally cast adrift. And those dust clouds, they're filled with the building blocks of stars and planets, the raw ingredients of creation. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see those vast, empty spaces between the stars, remember, space isn't empty at all. It's a cosmic sea of strangeness, and we're just beginning to dip our toes in. 10. Think time travel is just science fiction? Think again. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity tells us something incredible. Time is not absolute. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. It's called time dilation, and it's been proven. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age just a tiny bit slower than us down here on Earth. Near a black hole, time dilation is taken to the extreme. Imagine this. You and I are on a spaceship, and we decide to get a little too close to a black hole. I stay on the spaceship, but you orbit the black hole for, say, 5 years. When you return, you'll have aged 5 years, but for me, decades will have passed. That's the power of black holes, bending time itself. So, time travel may not be as simple as hopping into a DeLorean, but the universe has its own ways to warp time. And that, my friends, is pretty darn cool. Chapter 3, Symphony of the Cosmos. Space is silent, right? That's what we've always been told. But here's the thing about space, it's full of surprises. It turns out space vibrates, it hums with energy, with the movement of planets, the collisions of galaxies, the echoes of the Big Bang itself. NASA has managed to capture those electromagnetic vibrations and translate them into something we can hear. You're listening to the voice of Saturn, a giant gas planet, its rings a symphony of ice and rock. It's a sound both beautiful and unsettling, a reminder that the universe speaks in ways we're only beginning to understand. Each celestial body has its own unique song, its own cosmic signature. Pulsars emit radio waves that sound like a cosmic heartbeat. The sun hums with the sound of its nuclear fusion, the energy that powers life on Earth. So, while the vacuum of space may be silent to our ears, it's actually alive with sound, a symphony of the cosmos just waiting to be heard. Chapter 4, The Strange and the Unexplained. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders that boggle the mind and challenge our understanding. Take for instance the Bootes Void. Imagine a sphere of space nearly 1 billion light-years across, where galaxies are few and far between. It's so empty it's been nicknamed the Great Nothing. Astronomers have found only a handful of galaxies within this vast expanse, a cosmic desert. We still don't fully understand how or why the Bootes Void formed. Is it an echo of some ancient cosmic event, a region sculpted by forces we don't yet comprehend, or is it something even stranger? And then there's the case of Sagittarius B2, a giant molecular cloud near the center of our Milky Way galaxy. It's a massive cloud of gas and dust, a stellar nursery where new stars are born. But here's the weird part. Sagittarius B2 smells like rum. Scientists have discovered that this cloud is rich in ethyl formate, the same chemical that gives rum its distinctive flavor and raspberries their sweet scent. Chapter 5. Are we alone? We've explored the strangeness of space, from time-bending black holes to giant, rum-scented clouds. But there's one question that looms larger than all the others. Are we alone? The universe is unimaginably vast, filled with billions of galaxies, each teeming with stars and planets. The sheer scale of it makes the idea that we're alone seem, well, a little unlikely. And yet, so far, silence. We've been listening for signals from extraterrestrial intelligence for decades, scanning the skies with radio telescopes. But the cosmic airwaves remain stubbornly quiet. This is the Fermi paradox, the puzzling contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact. Are we looking in the wrong places, listening at the wrong frequencies, or is there something we're missing? Perhaps intelligent life is exceedingly rare, or maybe civilizations rise and fall, their signals fading before we ever had a chance to hear them. Or maybe, just maybe, the universe is whispering, not shouting. Outro. Keep looking up. Space is beautiful, terrifying, and completely mind-bending. and we've barely scratched the surface. It's a realm of endless possibilities, where the laws of physics as we know them are pushed to their limits, and where the most incredible discoveries may still await us. If your brain just exploded a little, don't worry, mine did too. It's what the universe does best. It makes us question, makes us wonder, makes us realize just how much more there is to learn. Hit that like button if you learned something new, subscribe to go even deeper into the cosmos with me, and let me know in the comments, what's the craziest space fact you know? This is your channel name, and I'll see you in the stars.